Motorcycle safety does not just matter to riders. It affects everyone on the road. A new Arizona partnership is helping expand motorcycle safety education and awareness statewide. Joining us are Mick Dane of the Arizona Motorcycle Safety and Awareness Foundation and Olivia Lamoraco, Vice President of Operations at Phillips Law Group. Welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning. Congratulations on this new partnership. Mick, I want to start with you. Not all of us ride a motorcycle, but we're on the road. What do all of us need to know when it comes to motorcycle safety?
Number one, just respecting each lane and everybody out there. Sometimes you don't see that motorcycle, so you really got to look at your rearview mirror and your side mirrors and just be aware of your surroundings. It's so important.
Especially these days with the smartphones.
Yes, very much so. Distracted driving is a big issue.
Yeah.
And we promote that. We try to keep people from staying away from that phone and focus on the road.
Because all it takes is a split second, and then your life's going to change in ways that you can never undo.
So much.
Well, Olivia, going to you. At Phillips Law Group, obviously you work with people after they've had an unfortunate accident. Why are you now in the business of trying to prevent accidents from ever happening?
Great question. So Phillips Law Group, yes, we're injury accident lawyers. About 3 years ago, we made it official and started Phillips Law Group Foundation, and that's where we're able to give back to the community, provide safety and awareness, and we're so excited to partner with AMSAF and be a part of this initiative. You know, the more we could do to keep people safe on the roads, the better for everybody.
And a lot of this, as Mick said, a lot of accidents happen because you just don't see that motorcycle. And is it just a matter of checking all your mirrors?
It's checking all your mirrors, but it's also really focusing on the road and what's there. I mean, you could have a car hit the brakes real quick in front of you or something in back of you, and you just need to be aware. We had one, when we started AMSAF, we had one motorcycle rider that was coming in from the East Valley, and a pickup truck and a fifth wheel were going down the road. They did not see this motorcycle rider, and they hit him, and this individual lost his leg. And we had another individual that lost her leg due to a DUI, or not lost her leg, but lost her life due to a DUI. And that's why it's so important, and what Phillips is doing is being so proactive up front to help us and help the community and the state.
You're trying to get the word out, doing appearances like this, right?
Exactly. The more people that we could help through scholarships, through helmet sponsorships, all of that, let's make the roads a safer place for everybody. You know, I have children and family who are on the roads, just like all of us. So the safer everyone can be, the less distractions is the goal.
You mentioned a helmet sponsorship. Is that because people are off-put by the cost of helmets?
Absolutely.
Some of it's cost, some of it's style. You take along a lot of the riders from that are up there in age didn't ride a helmet or didn't wear a helmet before. And so what we do is, in Arizona, it's a choice state. And what we do is we promote people wearing a helmet. We promote a full face or a modular helmet. Modular, the front pops up. And we work with the helmet manufacturers to determine which ones. But we want to get people into a helmet. So many families, it's a cost issue.
I never even thought about that. I mean, I knew it was a choice state because I'm from California and that's the law there. Right? So when I moved here, I thought, oh, these people just brazenly riding around with no helmet, and the mom in me just wants to yell out my car window.
Right.
Put on your helmet, but they can be expensive.
Exactly.
Yes.
So you can help defer the cost?
Through the scholarships, we get grants from the state, from the Arizona Motorcycle Safety Fund. And what we do is the dealers that we work with, Harley dealers and different motorcycle dealers, they will give 25% off of MSRP, which is what we ask them to do in participating. And then we give $225. And so they have to purchase a $400 helmet. And so at the end of the day, they're paying $75 for that helmet. So we want to get more people into a helmet and wearing it and comfortable with it and using it.
Great advice, great information. If people want to learn more about road safety, about how to get help with the helmet, what's a good place to go?
So there should be a QR code on your screen here that'll take you right to AMSAF's website. You know, there's all different opportunities there, and following us on Instagram and social media.
Well, it was great talking to you. We're also going to put this information up on our website as well, cw7az.com. Olivia, Mick, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now
Share the road.
Yeah, share the road.
Share the road.